watching this video right now, we're just making a stupid vlog. We're gonna go play some Xbox. I guess we're gonna play Xbox. I don't know, but you know, let's play some Xbox. But I said blog. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go play with Nova. Dude, who's Nova? He's my friend. Okay, can I play? No, shut the fuck up. Yeah. So if you guys want to join us, I'll be online. Just if this video gets uploaded, I think I'll still be online. But you know, I'm in my bathroom right now, taking a huge shit. No, I'm just playing. I'm not in my bathroom. Sorry, watch my grammar. I'm actually in a I'm in a restaurant right now, and you should be hearing the background. I don't know why, but a lot of people are talking there. I don't know, just drunk people. I'm gonna go home right now. I asked my mom. She said fine. But I'm kind of scared because a kid's following me saying if you have a PS4. And I said, kid, stop fucking following me. And his mom said, she was kind of drunk. And his dad came up and he was like, do you have a problem? I'm like, no. But let's go play some Xbox. Nova's online. Remember Nova? Hey Arthur, what's your favorite stuff? Please give. Here, hey Nova, what's your favorite? No, I mean, dude, what's your favorite staff? Lightning. Comment down below which is your favorite staff, Arthur. And you know, I just wanted to make this stupid ass video because I love all of you guys. You guys got me to. That's bullshit. But I need more. If you guys want me to show you my face, I'll show me my hand. Alright. If you guys want me to show you my face, I will. I'm facing right now my face. If you guys want to see it, just get me up to 20 subscribers. And yeah, guys, here's my hand. Here's my hand. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. America. Personally, I really don't know how to get out of this door. Just fucking look at that thing. I can't get out of here, man. I'm stuck in here, man. I'm so sad right now. That's the reason why I'm not freaking on Xbox right now, Nova. I'm stuck in this freaking stupid-ass restaurant, and I can't even freaking open the door. I'm kind of getting scared now. You know why? Because there's someone fucking coming here. Freaking Acre, the restaurant could already be closed, but I still hear people. But, you know. But, let's play some Xbox. No, dude, I don't want to play Xbox. Shut the fuck up, you loser. Dude, I don't want to play Xbox. Let's make a video. No, bro, we're playing Xbox and we're playing some Black Ops 2 Apocalypse. What's Apocalypse? Origins. Just say Apocalypse. So we are back. Alright, I guess we're back, man. Well, I could call for help. Help me, you fucking retards. Fucking stop drinking alcohol, you fucking psychopaths. Even the fucking people, the ones that work here, drinking fucking alcohol. Fucking talking to a lady saying, hey, can I get your phone number? And she's like not even drunk and he's like still asking her. I saw his fucking dick and he had a huge ass boner. But let's not talk about that. That's gay. Let's talk about how the fuck I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. One thing is we could break out the door. No, wait, we don't have that type of strength. Second of all, we could basically sleep here, eat, and stay here for the rest of an eternity. Best option ever. LOL. Not trying to be a dumbass, but lol. Oh, fuck me in the asshole. I think I'm gonna still be in this freaking stupid ass fucking shitty ass place. And if this video uploads and you guys see it, just comment down below and I'll look what the fuck I can do. Because I'm seriously stuck in here. This is no joke. I'm actually gonna fucking die in here if I don't fucking get help, because there's nothing to fucking eat in here except for fucking soap. You know how fucking gross that is? Who the fuck wants to eat soap? Probably a fucking homeless guy. Well, yeah, fuck this shit, man. Go fuck yourself. You guys want me to drink soap for the rest of my fucking life? There's only like a couple left of soap. Plus this fucking thing could kill me. Sorry for the cursing. But I'm stuck in here and I really need help, like badly. I seriously do need help. I'm about to die in here if I don't fucking get help. So I'm just gonna stay here praying until I come out. And yeah. Well, one more thing I gotta say is, you guys wanna know something? You guys are sick. And one more thing is, I get fucking get out of this fucking shitty place. I'm so fucking sad. Pray for me, you fucking faggots. Nah, I'm just playing. You guys are all sexy out there. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. This is actually a lie. I'm not really stuck in a bathroom. I'm actually in a restroom using the bathroom right now. I was taking a shit. Yeah, best way to say it. I was taking a shit, and basically I was enjoying it. If you guys didn't hear me talk, I was like, oh, yeah. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please comment down below what's your favorite part of it. Well, there's no favorite fucking part because I fucking trolled you. If you guys did enjoy the video, hit down that like. If you guys stop watching my videos, then I'm just really sorry what the hell I did to you. And Jack, go fuck yourself, you little idiot, ignorant faggot. You have no life hating. So go fuck yourself. Peace out, my freaking family, my Ghost Squad. Go subscribe to Arthur Hawk. Arthur14, links in the description will be his gamer tag, Nova, and yeah, but Nova will be on the Xbox side, and Arthur will be on the Xbox and YouTube side. So what I mean by that is go to the description, you'll see it all. I'm not gonna fucking explain it, but if you guys did enjoy the video, drop down a like, peace, and I hope you guys did enjoy. Subscribe. All I care about you guys, if you guys do enjoy the video, that's all I care about you guys. I don't care about the subscribers. I only care about you guys enjoying the video, liking, and yeah, I don't care if I get, up to like 1 billion subscribers, even if that's gonna happen, but fucking stop talking, you fucking prick, and end the video. Yeah, thank you very much, man. Shut the fuck up. Okay, I'll shut the fuck up. I'm not fucking crazy. Alright, but if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop down a like. I said this like 20 times, but peace out, my family. One more thing before I go is, hope you guys shut the fuck up.